My name's Leanne and I'm a sales consultant at Jayco Sydney. I'm here to show you the work and play for those that want to take their toys away with them. So with this work and play, we have optioned it up with everything that you need to be happy outside as well. We've added the picnic table here. You've got your external entertainment unit, so you've got your bracket and your TV point, so you can bring that TV outside and pop it on there. Electric awning does come standard, and then of course it is the Outback, so you've got your independent suspension to take it where you need to go. This van does come standard with your electronic stability control, which is a fantastic safety feature for when you are towing. The best feature about the work and play is this back gate right here. It does drop down for a ramp so that you can get your toys right up into the back there. As an option, we have added on the dual reverse cameras for when you are towing the van. Great feature of our Caravans is that you can separate the fly screen from the main door. Stepping inside the work and play, we've got your front bed here that pops out. You've got lots of storage above and underneath. We've got your combined shower and toilet. So you've got your nice big separate fridge and freezer. This is the three-way fridge. You've also got your microwave. Moving around, we've got your kitchen sink and your 2-burner gas cooktop. You can upgrade that to a 4-burner gas cooktop if you like. Up here, we've got your temperature control system for your hot water service. You've also got the optional stereo that we've added on, which gives you 2 speakers inside and 2 speakers outside. Stepping back, this is where you've got all this massive space for all your toys. You've got your tie-down points on the floor. You've got the TV bracket that we've added on. We've got the optional fly screen that we've added on, so on a beautiful day like today, you can still get the breeze going through. You've got your bunk beds here, where you put your dinette. This one we've added on the 3rd optional bunk bed. You can also add on a 4th if you do have more children. And they do also fold back against the wall for when you are bringing the toys in. So there you have it. That's the Jayco Work and Play. If you want more information on this van, you can come out to see us at the dealership at 63 to 67 Glossop Street, St Mary's, or jump on our website at jaycosydney.com.au.